All right, sweet. Okay. All right. Devlog number one. Okay, I'm switching from right now. I'm switching from HTML, JavaScript. I'll just open it right now. Visual Studio Code. Oh look, I made this entire thing like last night. I, like completely deleted the entire footage because apparently JavaScript, CSS, HTML, it's easier to all right, yeah, whatever. Easier to a how do I say this? Dude, okay. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm sorry. Mind track, I'm out of track. I'm out of track. Okay, open folder, projects. Here. Okay, there you go. I did this entire thing, CSS and HTML, Java for like 3 hours, not straight, like 1.5 hour yesterday, and 1.5 hour the day before yesterday. So about like 3 hours, you know? So and then like I just learned that AI can build a HTML, CSS, and even JavaScript to be honest. So kind of a bummer. So what I did is I went to Godot, which is a harder I don't know, I guess harder version because I'm trying to learn like C sharp, you know, and maybe Python, but Python maybe can wait until university because if I go into wait, hold on, I have my list. Uh, here, yeah, if I go into, where is it? Python? Well, I think, yeah. Wait, where is it? Am I stupid? Stupid. Okay, whatever. Something computer science, something. Yeah. So I'll learn Python on university, and so we'll just scratch this entire thing. Well, it's not a waste of time. I still got like some programming experience, but now I'm using this. I learned a bit of a okay, canvas layer is like pretty how do I say this? Explainable, pretty I don't know. I don't Control is basically an anchor, like a parent that anchors its children, blah blah. Blah. And then there's anchors preset, which I love because rect, left, rect, blah blah. There's also dialogues, which you can make in another scene. And this is what I made. Like I even made the shaky thing, the wave, italic, bold. Really cool. Love it. And then you can just paste it into here. I'm also a bit colorblind, so this maybe I'll change that later on. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. There's no coding yet, of course, because this took me like 1 hour and a half as well to learn all of these like nodes, elements. How to well inserting stuff is easy. Teams, right? Teams. Okay, maybe this shouldn't be in there. I don't know. Yeah, that's basically it. That's all I learned. How many minutes is? 4 minutes. Wow, that was fast. I was probably talking some nonsense. Also, my friend here, um, who's also been helping me. Well, mostly like support, you know. He's been like, I've been sending him everything. Remu, like 1 hour and a half at like 12 a.m. and then this stupid thing happens when like and then I just noticed you just have to use the percentage instead of pixels and then 12 a.m. yeah 1.5 yeah look I finished right here. I finished all of this, even got the same almost output than with this. Yep. And also made some notes. We saw it just now. Um, to be honest, Godot, how do you pronounce Godot? Go to pronounce Godot. 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 Oh my god, it's a debate. Never mind. Go Godot. Godot. I don't know. Godot is a pretty simpler, pretty easier than a HTML. Well, not HTML. Easier than CSS because of the margin and padding thing. You have to like remember. Wait, hold on. Projects. This. Wait, no, wrong thing. This. Because you have to remember like what margin. Well, margin is pretty simple. Margin padding is pretty simple. I just didn't know. Box sizing, position, static, relative, absolute, block, and line flex, center, adjustment content. Wait, this is items and auto. It's pretty simple once you learn about it, but understanding it at first was pretty difficult. Like that's all, to be honest. But Godot here, because I have like 5 years of experience in like Roblox, it's not that hard. All I learned like new thing is like I made a new scene, well user interface, 2D scene, blah, blah, and then I just paste it back in here. So it makes things much more easier. Basically like Roblox, but 2D. Yep. And that's all, to be honest. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Looks perfect. Yeah, that's pretty much it of devlog number 1. Sweet. See you guys.